can't believe there is no video online, YouTube or anywhere about this model from Pfister, how to replace the cartridge. Hey YouTubers, I was trying to find the video how to replace the cartridge in the faucet. It's a Pfister faucet. This model, I forget the name, is Amherst or something. It's in the description or the video headline. But I was trying to figure it out and there was no video. Then I look at the manual instructions, and then I found that this little cap here, that will be pulled up, okay? And then there is a plus nut, and all we have to do to remove this, we need a flat head screwdriver, and we'll need this solution here, something that break loose metal. And what we need to do is we need to slowly tape from all four sides, all around of this cap, okay, all around from this cap, from like this side. In my case I used this plier, okay, to loosen that up. And before I did this, I applied this solution on this one over here. Then I waited for 15 minutes, and then I try again with this flat plier, and it's little bit looks like it goes up. Then with the plier and the one of the cloth, I pull this up. So it is so easy. And make sure you guys shut off the water from the underneath of the cabinet. And you guys need this is a cartridge. That's a cartridge is not working anymore, and you guys can see here what is the model number. Also, if you want this for free, just call them, they will send you for free. So this is the easy stuff. I thought it's gonna take me so long, but if you have this solution to spray on, and you leave it for 15 minutes or 30 minutes and you try again, it's gonna work. It's gonna be easy. But what I'm suggesting is you need this plier, and that need to pull out. So previously I stated that this one will be free from Pfister customer support, but I was wrong actually. This model is discontinued. I reach out to them again to find out how I can replace this, because I couldn't open that. So then they told me it's no longer available, and they can send me the new replacement with a new model, completely different, not one handle, two handle. So yeah, that is really disappointment. But the one that I had is from like 4 or 5 years ago, when I thought it's gonna get bad soon, and I just called them and get it in advance. So I was a little bit lucky. However, if you really want to fix this, and even this is a discontinue, you can still get it from Amazon or eBay. They have a variety of the parts, different company, for same part number that I showed you before. You can just search for that part number, Pfister, and you will see it. It's about $10 to $15 depending upon deal situation, the company's name, like that. But anyway, long story short, 2 days ago, when I previously took the video, the first part of the video that I shoot, I was finally able to fix this. Now it is very smooth, and you see all around here, it's actually stained from the metal inside. It's so bad. Now to remove this cap is really hard. All you need is a plier. Put the plier like that in, and gently tap upwards with a hammer or something to the plier, and this will be come out. All you have to do is pull it out, but it's not easy as you think. Once that done, the hardest part is to take this out. This is a plastic sleeve, it's not a metal, so don't break it. Look, I already made some marks on it, as you can see. And now I feel so bad that I didn't have a proper tool. I just use a plier with a cloth on or rubber ring on, and it looks, you know, and now it's a look bad. But then I realized I need a proper tool, so I purchased from the Home Depot. There's a strap. This is very heavy. It's a Husky. Then I purchased this is a plumber's tool, and there is another one which is nowadays everybody buying for, specially made for homeowner, is a 1-in-8 kit, available in Lowe's and Home Depot as well. But don't buy that one, because I got one and it won't fit. It won't fit underneath here, because that one is more than 1 inch, and the fancy one comes only up to maximum 1 inch. So you really need this one. And reason why you need this one, because when you turn this direction, right, there is a lot chance that bottom also moving the same direction. That means it's not opening, it's just moving. So what you need is this strap right here. I have one hand with my phone, so I cannot really show you, but tighten this up, right? You need 2 guys to work on this one. Once this open, to open this one, you got to tighten this up, and you go anti-clockwise. Same time, you need someone down there with this, okay? So make sure it doesn't move from the bottom. And then after a lot of try, I find like 1 hour or more, finally I end up opening it. And you need a WD-40 or the same penetrating liquid that I showed you before. So make sure you have that in handy and you have a lot of time. So you want to make this kind of scratches with right tool if you have. Okay, so make sure you invest on these two. This one is like $15 or $20, and this one is $20. Both are Husky brand and really good. So once this opened, and then there will be a small nut on top of it, small metal nut on top of it, which hold this cartridge. So in order to remove the small metal nut, you need the same plier that I showed you before, and again you go with anti-clockwise while someone is still holding down there underneath. And once you remove that cap, this one and the one inside existing cartridge, you can just pull up. When you pull up, make sure the rubber ring with it. If it is not, then you need to find that rubber ring underneath and take that rubber ring out. Make sure you clean it with the tissue papers and put the new one in with the rubber ring. You see these 2 notches, so it will be exact fit over there. Once it fits, go back, make sure you put a lot of grease here, because this will be the place that it's holding down with the metal to plastic, and it's not easy to get out, because everything inside, if you have a bad cartridge, the water will leak from there, and the water stays here for months, maybe years, and that's why this cartridge get bad, and that's why it doesn't open so fast. So this process, it took me so long because there was no video online anywhere. I couldn't find one, but finally with the right tool you can do it within 1 hour, this job. And even this is a discontinue online, you can still find it, and you need to pay $10-15 from Amazon or eBay. So I hope this video is helpful, and thank you for looking at it. Subscribe, because I bring up only the video I couldn't find anywhere. So if you like to subscribe, please subscribe. Thank you.